गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. A very glorious and marvelous morning to one and all present over here. Myself भावना देवरे. जीवन में जो राह दिखाए, जीवन में जो राह दिखाए, सही तरह चलना सिखाए. माता पिता से पहले है आता, माता पिता से पहले है आता. जीवन में सदा आदर है पाता. सबको मान प्रतिष्ठा जिससे, सबको मान प्रतिष्ठा जिससे, सीखी कर्तव्य निष्ठा जिससे. वह मेरा पथ दर्शक है जो, वह मेरा पथ दर्शक है जो मेरे मन को भाता. वही मेरा शिक्षक है कहलाता, शिक्षक है कहलाता. A very happy Teachers' Day to all my dear teachers. Today's day has brought up the very blissful winds, as it is a very special occasion. The day marks the great event of Teachers' Day. Today, we all have gathered here on this online platform to celebrate the commemoration of 59 Teachers' Day as the birth anniversary of our beloved teacher, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. There is power in prayer. When you pray, God listens. When you pray, storms get stilled. When you pray, door opens. When you pray, darkness turns to light. When you pray, sickness get healed. When you pray, hopes gets rekindled. And when you pray, strength gets renewed. It is truly said that prayer is the most powerful tool mankind has. The good beginning of any program starts with invocation to God. So, now I would like to call upon class 10 students for the prayer song.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली इस टीचर को हमारा प्यार. तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. आग हमारे अंदर पर वो ज्योत जलाते हैं, फिर प्रेम और श्रद्धा से नया विश्वास जगाते हैं. वो टीचर ही तो है जो सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं, सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं. तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली इस टीचर को हमारा प्यार.
A teacher plants the seeds of knowledge, sprinkles them with love, and patiently nurtures their growth to produce tomorrow's dreams. The special guest of our today's program are our dear teachers, and to welcome them with all our heart is our duty. I would like to say a few words in honor of them. शिक्षा से बड़ा कोई वरदान नहीं, शिक्षा से बड़ा कोई वरदान नहीं. गुरु का आशीर्वाद मिले, इससे बड़ा कोई सम्मान नहीं, इससे बड़ा कोई सम्मान नहीं. So for welcoming each and every person here, I would like to call upon Parth Sedke for the welcome speech.
First of all, a very prosperous morning to our manager, Reverend Sister Lily, our principal, Reverend Sister Liji, our vice principal, Reverend Sister Liz, administrator of the school, Sister Mary, and the respected teachers and all my dear friends. We are here today to celebrate the most honorable occasion, that is Teachers' Day. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us the strength to be alive and to survive is our teachers. Today, we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside for our gifted souls who work hard every day to ensure that our future is bright. 5th September is marked as the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and Teachers' Day is celebrated in India in commemoration of his birthday. Along with being a successful leader in the form of president of the country, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a great scholar and an excellent teacher. On this honorable occasion, it is my golden opportunity to talk about our respected teachers. Every year, this day is filled with excitement, joy, and happiness, as the students are looking forward to tell their teachers how they are special for them. But unfortunately, this year we are not able to celebrate it in our lovely school. Otherwise, ये डायलॉग हमेशा सुनने को मिलता है, ड्रामा के स्टूडेंट्स प्रैक्टिस के लिए चलो, डांस के स्टूडेंट्स हॉल नंबर 1 में आओ. बट इस साल ये सब नहीं हो पा रहे ड्यू टू कोरोना. And also, there is a major missing event, that is none other than 10th standard boys versus teachers cricket match. And if you would ask me for my personal opinion, then myself and some other students might also be missing one person, that is Sister Divya, because she gave 100 times homework and writing 2-3 times lesson, which I think it was for punishment. But now we are really missing her and her great homework. It is a saying that teachers are greater than the parents, because parents give birth to the child, whereas teacher mold the child's personality to provide him the better future. I would like to extend my gratitude to all the teachers for providing their selfless service and dynamic support. Come on, my dear friends, let's togetherly say that our respected teachers, we are always grateful to you. Again, on the behalf of all the students, I wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू पार्थ फॉर योर वार्म ग्रीटिंग्स. जिसे देता है यह जहां सम्मान, जिसे देता है यह जहां सम्मान, जो करता है देशों का निर्माण, जो बनाता है इंसानों को इंसान, जो बनाता है इंसानों को इंसान, जिसे करते हैं सभी प्रणाम. जिसकी छाया में मिलता ज्ञान, जिसकी छाया में मिलता ज्ञान, जो कराता है सही दिशा की पहचान, ऐसे मेरे गुरु को मेरा शत शत प्रणाम, शत शत प्रणाम. हमारे प्यारे टीचर्स हमेशा हमें अच्छे से अच्छे संस्कार देते हैं तथा हमें एक अच्छा इंसान बनाने हेतु सदैव तत्पर रहते हैं. इसीलिए आज के इस अवसर पर उन्हें एक एक्ट द्वारा संबोधित करना तो बनता ही है. वी एक्ट फॉर लाफ्टर, वी एक्ट फॉर टीयर्स, वी एक्ट फॉर मैडनेस, वी एक्ट फॉर फियर्स. Simultaneously, when we dance for hopes, we dance for screams. We are the dancers, we create dreams. When the dance and drama combines together, it becomes a great combination of expressions, feelings and words. With this, I would like to call upon class 10 students for their performance.
या व्हिडिओ मधले सगळे पात्र काळ काळ हे काय रे ते
काल्पनिक बे.
हा सगळे पात्र काल्पनिक आहेत.
स्कूल बंद है, किसी बच्चों को फोन करके हालचाल पूछता हूँ. किसका फोन आया यार? हेलो. हाँ हेलो सार्थक, पढ़ाई कैसे चल रही रे? सर पढ़ाई की बहुत याद आती है सर. आपको पता है सर, कल रात मैं सपने में स्कूल में जाके आया. हाँ तो स्कूल का एड्रेस क्या है, बता पर क्या? हाँ सर वही ना, रेलवे स्टेशन उतरने के बाद वो चाइनीज की दुकान के बाजू का था, वही ना? चाइनीज की दुकान? ओ ये है अपने स्कूल के पास मेंढी शेरी फार्म है. मेंढी शेरी फार्म.
अरे वही अपने स्कूल उधर मेंढी शेरी फार्म के पास ही है, और चाइनीज के दुकान वाले पास के दुकान अलग है.
हाँ सर बरोबर. हाँ वो स्कूल शायद मेरे भाई की थी शायद. हाँ बरोबर. ऐसी बात है क्या? मजा मार रहे हो? रुको जरा, सब्र करो, कल से देखो तुम्हारे ऑनलाइन लेक्चर लेता हूँ अभी. सर
का बुरा हाल
तो क्या करें भैया?
गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल, गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा.
यार कितनी डिस्टरबेंस है, शांति से पढ़ाई भी नहीं करने देते हैं.
बस रे बस, घंटा पर वहां जा रहा तू. सुन भाई, तू ऐसा घर से बाहर क्यों बैठा है? घर वालों ने निकाल दिया क्या तुझे घर से बाहर?
को क्या बताओ भाई, घर में नहीं आ रही भाई, इसलिए ऑनलाइन लेक्चर चलिए बाहर आके बैठना पड़ रहा है भाई। क्या रे भाई, तुम्हारे ऑनलाइन लेक्चर कैसे चलते
हैं? अरे तू जा रे।
भाई? प्लीज बताना यार, बता देना।
हैं, सुनना है? बहुत तेज हो रहे हो हैं। बैठो बैठो बैठो।
अरे भाई काम है ना, शाम को आता हूँ।
बैठ तू नीचे बैठ, अभी सुनना ही पड़ेगा देखो, बैठ। सुन, तो सर की आवाज उनके पास के टावर में जाती है, फिर टावर में से पृथ्वी के पार सैटेलाइट में जाती है।
भाई ये सैटेलाइट कहाँ होता है?
वो मुझे भी नहीं पता, तू सिर्फ सुन। वो सैटेलाइट में से आसमान फाड़ के हमारे पास के टावर में आती है, टावर में से वो हमारे मोबाइल में आती है, फिर मोबाइल में से हेडफोन में से जाके हमारे कान में जाती है वो।
भाई तुम्हारे पढ़ाई तो बहुत लंबी और स्टैंडर्ड भी है।
हाँ भाई, हमारी बहुत प्रोफेशनल स्टडी होती है। तो नील आर्मस्ट्रांग में पहला कदम रखा, दूसरा हमको ही रखना है। ठान लिया तो ठान लिया, बस करके ही रखना है अभी।
भाई तुम ये सीबीएसई स्कूल में जाते हो, ये सीबीएसई का फुल फॉर्म क्या होता है, बताओ जरा।
सीबीएसई का फुल फॉर्म है सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन है, पता है मेरे को।
भाई तुम्हारे पढ़ाई तो पूरी सैटेलाइट से चलती है, तो तुम्हारा सीबीएसई का फुल फॉर्म ये होना चाहिए, सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ सैटेलाइट एजुकेशन।
हमारी मस्ती को किया आपने इग्नोर। आइडेंटिफाई द क्लॉजेस। इंग्लिश सर ने दिए ग्रामर में 0 स्कोर। सॉरी, पर हिस्ट्री पीरियड था बड़ा ही बोर। टुंड्रा रीजन का तो पता नहीं, पर ज्योग्राफी टीचर बस देखते रहते थे आपको मोर एंड मोर। कविता के बहाने हिंदी क्लास में मचाया हमने इतना शोर, इतने सॉल्व फिर भी मार्क्स में मिलते थे 50 से 100।
Thank you, friends, for your excellent performance. A leader is one who lights the path of impossible and takes those who follow great heights. It would be wrong to proceed our today's program without words of our dearest principal. So here I call our dearest principal, Reverend Sister Liji, for her warm greetings.
Reverend Sister Lily, our manager, Reverend Sisters, teachers, students, and parents, a happy morning to everyone. It gives me immense pleasure and joy to greet all the teachers of St. Joseph Convent School a very happy Teachers' Day. Today we commemorate the birth anniversary of late Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, second President of our nation, a renowned teacher who taught with his life that teaching is the noblest profession in the world. So dear teachers, let us be proud of our own profession as teachers. Today, we are in the front line during this pandemic COVID-19. Just like doctors to the patients, we are to the children in the digital classroom. Day and night working hard to be technically sound and knowledge bound to reach to the children in the virtual platform. I salute all the teachers of St. Joseph Convent School because marvelous are the services that you have rendered to this institution, St. Joseph Convent School. May God bless you to achieve greater heights in your personal and professional growth. I wish once again a very happy Teachers' Day and St. Joseph guide you. God bless you. I remain. Thank you.
Thank you, sister, for your lovely words. Speech is the powerful master and achieves the most divine feats with the smallest and least evident body. It can stop the fear, provide the idea, and double the joy. Speech is not just sharing of information, but the sharing of thoughts. So now I would like to call upon Master Kush Babre for giving the speech.
Good day, honorable principal, teacher, and all my friends. I am Kush Ajay Babre from class 1st B. On this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to wish all the teachers Happy Teachers' Day. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deo Maheshwar, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Guruve Namaha, Guruve Namaha. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year in India since 1962. It is birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was second President of independent India, who was also a great teacher. These days gives us chance to express our gratitude and love for our teacher. For all students, teacher is magician and can make anything possible. In this corona crisis, also all our teachers give us hope and showed us that our work and study should go on. They nicely and successfully took online activities. It's not easy at all. I sincerely thank them for our teachers. Happy Teachers' Day, Happy Teachers' Day, Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. Happy, I love you, teacher. I praise you, teacher. I thank you, teacher, for everything. I love you, teacher. I praise you, teacher. I thank you, teacher, for everything. Happy Teachers' Day, Happy Teachers' Day, Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. Thank you.
Thank you, Kush, for your clever words. Dance is the most beautiful form of expression of humans' feeling. And who can express it more beautiful than our little members of Josephine family? So here comes our junior KG students to show their talent through dance.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Amnish Tusha Sarunke. I am from Junior KG3 class. Today is Teachers' Day. As you know, this is the COVID time. So I am going to sing a special thank you for all my lovely teachers. Song is here. Oh my teacher, lovely teacher, I love you, and I know you love me too, and I know you love me too. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. You are so nice. are so kind, and you have a haircut too. You teach me something new, and I want to say thank you. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मुश्किल राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, हम थक भी जाए पर देखो वो कभी न थकते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं, हमारे साथ चलते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। फिर प्रेम और श्रद्धा से नया विश्वास जगाते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं, सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, हमें हमारी उंगली उस तेरे
Myself, Chayangalari Kumar Khare. I am studying in junior class.
I want to dedicate this song to you because you care for me. With you I feel safe and secure, you really care for me. If something happens in the class that brings me down and makes me sad, you're there for me. And when I'm stuck and don't know what to do, you're there to guide me. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher.
My name is Saksham Dhananjay Bhatti. I am studying in junior class.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, हमें हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मुश्किल राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, हम थक भी जाए पर देखो वो
dance performance. Words have power and energy, the ability to help, to heal, to hinder, and to humble. Don't ever diminish the power of words. Words move hearts, and hearts move limbs. Our program is incomplete without words of our dear sister Mary. Her words are kind, that may be easy to speak, but their echoes are truly endless. So here we call upon dear sister Mary for her precious words.
Respected manager, Sister Lily Joseph, Principal Sister Lichi, sisters, teachers, and my dear friends. A very good morning to all of you. Today, we all are in this online wishing program of Teachers' Day. On this beautiful occasion, I wish to convey my best wishes and greetings to all the teachers. Teachers' Day is a great way to thank our teachers. So, let us love and respect our teachers, as they are the most respectable and honorable persons in the world. Friends, a good teacher is like candle, it consumes itself to light the way for others. It would not be wrong to say that teachers are equal to our parents. Parents give birth to a child, while teachers shape the personality of the child. It is my honor to talk about our dear teachers. On this wonderful occasion, I would like to thank all our teachers for their continuous, selfless, precious efforts. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September every year in India. 5th September is marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and the Teachers' Day is celebrated in commemoration of his birthday. Why is Teachers' Day important in our life? Teachers are important because they play a significant role in shaping the future of the country by the development of the students through proper education. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi says that teaching is not a profession but Jivan Dharma. He also said that India should regain the status of Vishwaguru by giving high respect to teachers. He told that teachers' determination and sincerity will shape the destiny of the nation, as they are the laying foundation and the building blocks of the society. So, dear friends, let us respect all our teachers with our attitudes and behaviors. Once again, I wish you a happy Teachers' Day. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sister, for your motivational and encouraging words. Dance is the most divine forms of art. It is much more than moving just hands and legs. Dance is actually a way to express an individual's feeling. So now, here I would like to call upon our little angels for their performance.
My name is Nitya Padmeshwar Mahajan. I am from Senior KGA and my school name is Avila Kindergarten. Good morning, sister. Good morning, teachers, and all dear my friends. Today we are celebrating Teachers' Day as an honor of our dear teachers. As a teacher means what? T for talent, E for emotion, A for awesome, C for carefully, H for honest, E for encouraging, R for responsible. God is a greater but best teacher, creates and develops skill in each student. शिक्षक यानी कि शिक्षा, क्षमा और करुणा से बच्चों को काबिल बनाते हैं. India's second president, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was great and excellent teacher. As an honor on his birthday, 5th September, and we celebrate Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day, Happy Teachers' Day, Happy Teachers' Day, Happy Day. We thank you, teacher, we love you, teacher, we praise you, teacher, everything. Happy Teachers' Day, Happy Teachers' Day, Happy Teachers' गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Happy Teachers Day. Good morning, teacher. My name is Mitesh Dushyant Patil from nursery. Today, I am saying few words on teachers. Teachers teach us, taught us, and love us. Thank you, teacher. Love you. Happy Teacher Day.
Thank you, friends, for your excellent performance.
Music is a piece of art that goes into the ear straight to the heart. The power of music makes all the differences with the motivation throughout the day. It moves people and connects people in the way such that no other medium can. So now, to draw the strings of our hearts and to add the soothing music to cherish our souls by chanting a beautiful music, here comes Master Arnav from class 2nd.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। मुश्किल लोगों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, हम थक भी जाए पर देखो वो कभी न थकते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं, हमारे साथ चलते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। है आग हमारे अंदर पर वो जोत जलाते हैं, फिर प्रेमों और श्रद्धा से यहाँ विश्वास जगाते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो हम चेहरा सिखाते हैं, सच्चे रंग गाते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। Happy Teachers Day to all dear teachers. Thank you.
That was indeed a lovely performance. It was really a captivating and soulful music. Thank you, Arnav.
Thank you, Arno, for singing such a harmonic song. Speech is a power. Power to persuade, power to compel, and power to convert. To express a lot in a few words, here come our little champ for giving a speech.
Good morning to all of you gathered here to celebrate the special occasion, the Teachers' Day. It gives me the great pleasure to be here and to talk about main personalities of the day. Our very own teachers. There is a quote in Sanskrit, "Ajnana andhasya lokasya jnananjan shalakaya chakshuhu unmilitam yen tasmai Shri Guruve Namah," which means greeting to the Guru who opened the eyes of those who were blinded by ignorance from ignorance. In India, 5th September is chosen as the Teachers' Day because it was the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a renowned academic of our country who was also the first Vice President and second President of independent India. Teachers motivate us to do better in life. Thus, it recognizes their efforts to produce excellent artists, doctors, engineers, dancers, and more. Because of you, dear teachers, we are able to have the skills that we do today. We will forever be grateful to you all for shaping our personalities and making us better human beings. Here I conclude that Guru ha sant kuळीचा राजा, Guru ha प्राण विसावा माझा, Guru विना देव तुझा, पाहता नाही त्रिलोकी. Thank you.
Thank you, Ovi. Life is like dance. You rise, you fall, you spin and you crawl. But like the dance, life is beautiful. Sometimes you are rough and sharp. Other days you are smooth and graceful. Every program is incomplete without dance. And here our little champs are eagerly waiting to display their talents. So now I would like to call upon class 4 students for their opening performance.
is 5th September, so I dance for my lovely teacher.
That was indeed a lovely performance. It was really a captivating and soulful music. Music is a piece of art that goes into the ear straight to the heart. The power of music makes all the differences with the motivation throughout the day. It moves people and connects people in the way such that no other medium can. So now, to draw the strings of our hearts and to add the soothing music to cherish our souls by chanting a beautiful music, here comes Master Siddesh Raje from class 5th.
My name is Siddesh Raji Pramod Sonne from class 5C. Today I am playing We Love You Teachers song on piano. First of all, I wish you Happy Teachers Day. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma.
was indeed a lovely performance. It was really a captivating and soulful music. Thank you, Siddesh.
It was indeed a lovely performance. It was really captivating and soulful music. Speech is a poetry, rhythm, cadence, sweep, imagery. It reminds us that the words like children have power to make dance the dullest beanbag of a heart. With this now, here comes a speech from our management.
Hello everyone. Today I feel immensely proud to have got the opportunity to say a few words about teachers on Teachers' Day. Behind every student's success is always a teacher. A teacher is like a lighthouse guiding the ship of students to the shores of life. They are like the doctors treating the disorders of ignorance. They are the magicians who make the miracles of knowledge happen. Teachers play a vital role in shaping our lives. They teach us much more than just science, maths, English, essays. And that thing is, they teach us to live. A teacher is a pillar of support, an epitome of strength. She is as loving as a mother and as caring as a friend. Whatever we are today are only because of them. They have made us so capable and have created our character and have helped us to work towards our success. Our teachers have enabled us to identify the things that are good for us. Thank you to all the teachers for becoming an inspirational source for us so that we can be able to live a life of dignity. You have created our character and show us the path to success. You have inspired us all through a focused approach in dreaming and achieving these dreams and goals. Today, I thank you to all the teachers for motivating us with our education. Each of your small efforts has enabled us to make our goals come true. I have a few words, but feelings are infinite to express my gratitude. You nurture and motivate so many children. Although one day has been dedicated for admitting teachers' efforts, but teachers deserve the round of every second movement and is worthy of praise. At last, but not the least, I thank you to all the teachers for being in our lives and make it worthwhile. Thank you, have a nice day, and once again, Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers.